What's up guys, welcome back to the NGF channel. If your iPhone 15 Pro screen is cracked, unresponsive, or showing lines, this guide is for you. Remove the two pentalobe screws next to the charging port. Use a plastic pry tool to carefully lift the display. Take your time here, don't force it. This repair requires patience and the right tools. If you're not confident, it's always okay to visit a professional repair shop. Once the screen is open, remove the metal shield. Keep track of all screws, they are different sizes. Now disconnect the display and front sensor cables. Carefully transfer your piece from the broken display to new LCD. Be extra careful, earpiece are fragile. Now connect the display and front sensor cables. Reinstall the metal shield. Press the screen back into place and reinstall the bottom screws. And just like that, the iPhone 15 Pro is back to life with a brand new display. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more repair tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions.